Hey friends, I wanted to show you what my desk looked like the next morning after streaming and doing my morning routine. First thing I do is clear off the coffee cups, juice cups, and tea that I was drinking last night to keep my throat lubricated while I was talking. I got a PR package from Vicarious PR, so I was putting that away. I got a cool t-shirt and some bath salts. This is just me breaking down my setup, putting away my HOTUS, getting my keyboard and out of the way, and now I'm going to clean underneath my mouse mat and get my desk nice and clean to get any stains off. Since it's a white countertop, it's definitely gets dirty really fast. My cat likes to sleep on top of it as well, so there's tons of cat hair everywhere. I make sure to get underneath all of my peripherals to make sure that they are nice and clean. Put my mouse mat back down, and then my keyboard goes right down on top of it. I had got it with some canned air right before I filmed this part, so that way I got between the keys and got any of the cat hair out of the way. Getting the armrest down and cleaned off as well. Adjusting to make sure the mouse still works, so plugged it back in, and then getting my beacon mixer and my Stream Deck SL back on where they should be. I like to wipe these off as well right now since I'm not streaming and it gets all the dirt and dust off of it because it's really dusty in here for some reason. I put down my little phone holder that I got for free from Skechers, and that's it. Thanks for watching and thanks for cleaning with me, guys.